In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change password in Samsung Wallet. First, let's start by opening the Samsung Wallet app on your device. You will see the app icon, which looks like a wallet. Tapping on it will launch the app, bringing you to the main screen. This is where all your payment methods and transactions are displayed. Opening the app is essential because it is the gateway to accessing all the settings related to your wallet. If you have multiple apps, make sure you select the correct one. Once the app opens, you will be ready to move to the next step. Next, you need to tap on the menu icon, which looks like three horizontal lines, or you may see a More option represented by three vertical dots. This icon is typically located at the top corner of the screen. When you tap on it, a drop-down menu will appear, showcasing various options related to your wallet. This step is crucial because it provides access to all the settings and features within the app. It allows you to navigate easily and find what you need. After you've accessed the menu, the next action is to tap on Settings. In the Settings menu, you'll find multiple options that control how your wallet operates. This area is where you can make changes to your security settings, including your PIN. Selecting Settings is important because it ensures that you are in the right place to change your PIN securely. You will see various settings options displayed on your screen, which will guide you to the next steps. Now you will see the option for verification method. Tap on it to proceed. This section will show you different ways you can secure your wallet. You may find options for biometric verification, among others. However, since we are focusing on changing your PIN, this is the critical step to move forward. By accessing the verification method, you are preparing to change your PIN, which is vital for keeping your wallet secure. Once you are in the verification method section, the next step is to tap on Change PIN. This option will allow you to initiate the process of updating your current PIN. You may see a prompt or a confirmation message asking if you are sure about changing your PIN. This is an important action because it ensures you proceed intentionally, protecting your wallet from unauthorized changes. After tapping Change PIN, you will be prompted to enter your current PIN. At this point, you need to enter your current PIN. This is a necessary security measure. Typing in your current PIN confirms your identity and ensures that only you can make changes to your wallet. Make sure to enter it correctly, as any mistakes may lead to an error message. Once you've entered your current PIN accurately, you will be ready to proceed to the next step. Now you will enter your new PIN. Choose a 4-digit number that is easy for you to remember but difficult for others to guess. It's important to avoid using easily recognizable numbers, like your birthday. This step is crucial for securing your wallet. A strong PIN will protect your financial information. After you've entered your new PIN, take a moment to check that it's what you want. Next, you will confirm the new PIN. This means you will re-enter the same 4-digit number you just selected. Confirming your new PIN is essential because it ensures that there are no typos or errors in your choice. If the two entries match, you will see a confirmation message indicating that your PIN has been changed successfully. This will give you peace of mind that your wallet is now secured with your new PIN. Remember, keeping your PIN private and secure is vital for your financial safety. With that step completed, you can use your Samsung Wallet with confidence, knowing your information is protected.